Look what we have here today, a 19 sec, blah, blah, blah. You're going to show that, aren't you? Look what we have here today, a 1967 Pontiac GTO. This car has only 1,500 miles on its body off frame restoration. It has the 400 HO, the Hurst dual gate shifter, power steering, power disc brakes. Beautiful car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 beautiful cars, all for sale with price tags and monthly payments, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is amazing. Regimental Red, and it is like red glass. I know I use that term a lot, but boy, it's a red mirror. It's just absolutely straight. You got the GTO scoop. The gap around the hood is square and flush. The fender is pristine. Looking down the whole side of the car, not even a little ripple. All these lines here line up beautifully, smooth. All nice clean gaps. Oh, door opens easily. Jams are slick. Shuts like a new car. No vinyl top, just all beautiful red. Quarter panels, the Coke bottle quarter panels are slick all the way down to the bottom. There's a little thin scratch down here towards the bottom. All this absolutely straight. Again, the gaps are really nice. This is all beautiful. Far better than it was new, I'm sure of that. Look how clean. Look at the reflection. All smooth down to the bottom, right around the wheel well. All straight. I don't even find a little tiny blister or nothing like that. Opens easily. Glossy jams. Watch this. Thunk. Shuts like a new car. Smooth, clean. I'm blown away by this body and paint. It is fantastic. It looks great. The black two pinstripes are painted on. And the chrome and the trim and the moldings have either been replaced or restored. He said the original bumpers were rechromed, so they're not reproduction. Headlight bezels, the mesh grille, the lights, lenses, all of that. The Pontiac Arrowhead, all that's beautiful. Correct antenna looks real nice. Windshield's been replaced. It's all looking really nice. Has some good looking Cragar chrome wheels on here. They're 15-inch, wrapped in BFGoodrich tires. The rocker moldings along the bottom, big wide moldings, those were replaced. The trim around the back window, probably the original rear window, but boy, it's really nice. Excellent shape. And then back here, the same thing. New emblems, original bumper's been rechromed. Gorgeous car. Let's open it up, see if the inside's just as nice. All right, before we open it, just look at the gap I'm talking about. Look how it's square and flush. They never fit that nice. It fits that nice on both sides. The bottom side of the trunk, polished, beautiful. It's got the stickers. The jam is slick. The weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean, solid metal. You got a trunk mat. Wiring looks real nice. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Check out our website too. Jams are real nice. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are new. It has a legendary interior. They're the premium supplier of interiors for these cars. So the door panels, armrest, the armrest base, that's all new. Window cranks and handles look new. Has the original vents. Dash pad's probably new. The instrument panel is probably original with new wood grain on it. So they've added a tachometer to the column, old school hot rod style. It's an air-conditioned car, so it has the vents. Sony stereo with an amplifier hidden somewhere, and there are 6x9 speakers in back. Then you got a set of gauges. All these gauges could be removed, but they are nice to have. Again, factory air conditioning. You got the grab handle. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets. The premium carpet, I think, has an insulated backing and also has sound deadener on the floor. Reproduction mats. Center console's original, but new wood grain. This is the dual gate shifter. If you want to do some performance shifting, you move it over here and it's like notched so you can slam the gears. Just a nifty thing, the Hurst dual gate, his and her shifter. Seats are rebuilt, all nice firm, new cushions, and look how nice the upholstery fits. Backs of the seat, all this is great. Light works on the back of the seat. Looks like it has deluxe seat belts that wind up. Reproduction mats, again the carpet's laid in real nice. Back's upholstered, side panels, armrest, all that's replaced. Has the correct mesh tray back there. Again, there's 6x9s hidden underneath them. Headliner, sail panels, all replaced. Working dome light. Visors look like they're replaced too. They match the headliner. The mirror is new. Real nice original steering wheel. So yeah, just a really tidy, clean interior. Dashpad's not new. I just seen there's a little mark over here. The size of your pinky nail. That was repaired. Okay, so this 400 engine is completely rebuilt to the 360 horsepower specs. It's rebuilt to HO specs. I mean, the cam, and there's detailed spec list. I'll put it on our website. They'll go with the car. Very, very detailed list of everything that's in the motor. It has the correct 670 heads. They're completely redone. Does have an upgraded carburetor with electric choke. And the HOs did have an open element air filter. This one does have HEI ignition in the back. It is a factory air conditioned car, but it is upgraded Freon, newer compressor. So that's all working. And look how neat and tidy and clean everything is. All the metal surfaces are painted real nice. Got the rubber seal and the shroud. Everything looks really good and proper. The components, the alternator, the pulleys, the power steering, all looking nice. There's a disconnect on the battery. Washer bottles hooked up. This has the HO ram air exhaust manifolds. Has power brake system with a cadmium plated booster. Again, all nice, tidy, clean, proper. Factory air, power steering, power brakes. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs.
All right, everybody. Man, this GTO is something. I'm really a big fan of these 400s, and this one, since the second I started, is really doing it for me. The high output build there, 360 horsepower. This thing purrs, man. It sounds so pretty. And yeah, really liking all the aftermarket gauges too, autometer gauges. They're really laid out nicely in practical spots. A nice little tack up here with the shift light built in. You got the his and her shifter. A lot of fun there too. Power steering. It's such a nicely built car. It's very easy to use. And then that it sounds like a very tight running engine as well. So let's see what it's got. Alright folks, we are doing 60 miles an hour without even thinking twice. Just eased into it. We got a chilly little day here, so tires were cool, but what a performer. What a great car overall. Nice comfortable interior, and just gonna do everything you want from this one. Absolute winner. So yeah, go ahead, check out all the details on our website. Check out pics of the undercarriage too, because that is mighty impressive. And contact our sales team if you want to come take it for a test drive. It's encouraged, and you're always more than welcome here. We certainly hope to see you soon.
So I don't know if I mentioned this was body off the frame restored, and again, only 1,500 miles since then. So everything underneath, all the steering, the suspension was all rebuilt, keeping it like stock form. They did upgrade it to disc brakes. I guess it's possible it came with disc brakes, but not many did. But it has an all-new brake system with disc brakes up front. The lines were replaced, the e-brake cables, all that's hooked up. The fuel system was replaced, including the tank. Nice dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers and stainless exhaust tips. Look up at the motor, it's super nice and clean. The starter, the fuel pump, everything's fresh. The Turbo 400 automatic was also completely rebuilt, and I have a paragraph describing every part, and it was over my head, the different clutches and aluminum pistons and all sorts of work done in the transmission. The rebuilt drive shaft goes back to its original rear end. It has a nice cruising gear in it. And the floors are beautiful, all clean metal floors painted a gloss black, which, by the way, he told me this is all original sheet metal on the car. I hate to make that statement because I don't know for a fact, but he claims that it was the gentleman that restored the car. Clean, rust-free, original sheet metal. And boy, underneath is dry and clean and detailed and beautiful. This one was bought locally. We actually had the opportunity to have our lead mechanic inspect the car, put it on the lift, check it out before I bought it. And yeah, the mechanic was telling me, absolutely, Jay, this one's a winner. So it's a really good car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your GTO delivered home. Need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.